Cape Henlopen. Your early arrivals. Nothing like campfire smoke going through the Sudla beam, huh? Look at that.
Documenting?
Absolutely. Will you be hunting a deer, or did you bring food with you? Oh, don't make fun of him. Oh.
This is special diet.
Special diet? Deer and raccoon?
Whatever he gets, he could have.
Yeah. Very nice.